Libby, and today we are going to explore Libby's toolbox. Do you know what tools are for? They're used to fix things that are broken. What? Do you guys know what tool this is? And is it used this way? No, that can't be right. This is a hammer, and it's used this way, isn't it? Why don't you join me in learning about other tools in Libby's toolbox? Shall we? Let's go explore together. Let's go.
Learning with Libby, we will learn and have a lot of fun. Learning with Libby about everything under the sun. It's fun if you do it, and there's not much to it. Learning with Libby.
And now we're ready to explore Libby's toolbox. Let's see what we have in here. Do you remember what this is? Of course you remember. It's a hammer. And then we have a wrench and a screwdriver. Do you know what these are? These are screws because they have these spirals coming down. And here we have two nails. So we'll use this hammer and this nail to hang a frame. Will you help me? Let's go. All right, now I need to hang this decoration up on the wall. Do you know what tools I will use to hang this on the wall? Take a guess. Yes, a hammer and a nail. Okay, let's hang it. Oh, looks like there's already a nail up on the wall, so I don't need this one, but I do need the hammer. Let's just hammer the nail in to make sure it's nice and sturdy, and then it's ready. Then my decoration is ready to be hung. See? Thank you for helping me hang my decoration up on the wall. Let's go check out what else needs to be fixed around the house. Let's go. And if you need to fix toys around the house, you can always use your toolbox. I want to tighten the wheel of this car, so I would use the screwdriver. No, because these tires don't have those bolts. I would use the wrench to tighten the tires of this truck. And there we have it, nice and tight. Oh no, a piece of my staircase is broken. Will you help me fix it? Well, it looks like this is loose. So we'll use this tool. Do you remember what tool this is? It's a wrench. That's right. And I'll use this to tighten here. And that should do it. Now we'll snap this piece in place. All fixed. All right, boys and girls, thanks for joining and learning with Libby. That's it for now. Till next time, bye-bye.